Welcome back, you guys, to Miss Latasha's vocational lesson. Today's lesson is about sorting groceries. In our first video of sorting groceries, my friends helped me sort our canned foods with our canned foods, our cereal with the cereal, and our pasta with the other pasta. Now, Miss Latasha had to go to the grocery store again. I bought 10 items and I need help figuring out where we should put the groceries. The groceries should go either in the fridge or the pantry. Let me tell you the difference between the fridge and the pantry. Food items that we place inside the fridge keeps our food cold, like ice cream. You have to keep ice cream inside the freezer or it'll melt. Food items that we keep inside the pantry keeps our food at room temperature, meaning it does not have to stay cold, like our canned soup. Now it's time to help Miss Latasha sort her groceries to the fridge or the pantry. The first item Miss Latasha purchased was milk. I love to drink a glass of milk every morning with my breakfast. Where should we place the milk? In the fridge or the pantry? Do you have your answer? Let's see. Wow, you guys, I hope you said the fridge. We always keep our milk inside the fridge so it stays nice and cold. The next item I bought was pasta. Where should we place the pasta? In the fridge or the pantry? You can touch your answer or use your words to tell me your answer. Pasta belongs inside the pantry. Good job, you guys. Let's see what else I have. Potato chips. Where should we place the potato chips? Inside the fridge or the pantry? Let's think about it. Do you have your answer? Let's see if you're right. Great answer. Our potato chips belong in the pantry. You guys are too smart for this. Let's see what else I have. Lettuce. Miss Latasha uses lettuce to make her salads for lunch. But where does the lettuce belong? Should we place the lettuce inside the fridge or the pantry? Let's think. Do you have your answer? Let's see if you're right. The fridge. We always keep our lettuce inside the fridge because lettuce has to stay nice and cold. Good job. What else do we have inside our grocery bag? Cereal. I love to eat cereal with my breakfast. I know some of my friends like cereal too. Where should we place the cereal? Inside the fridge or the pantry? You can touch your answer or use your words to tell Miss Latasha where we should place the cereal. Do you have your answer? Let's see if you're right. Great job! Cereal belongs inside the pantry. Our next item, Miss Latasha purchased some eggs. Where should we place the eggs? Inside the fridge or the pantry? Let's take a few seconds to think about our answer. Do you have your answer? Let's see if you're right. Great job! Our eggs belong inside the fridge. We have to keep our eggs cold until we need them to cook our food. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Miss Latasha loves ice cream after dinner, of course. Where should we place the ice cream Miss Latasha bought from the store? Inside the fridge or the pantry? Let's think about our answer. Great job! Our ice cream belongs inside our fridge, in the freezer part, of course. We have to keep our ice cream nice and cold so it doesn't melt. You guys are good at this. Let's try another food item. Canned soup. Where should we place the canned soup? Inside the fridge or the pantry? Do you have your answer? Let's see if you're right. That was an easy one. You already knew the canned food should go inside the pantry. Give yourselves a pat on the back. Great job. Fruit snacks. Some of my friends love to eat fruit snacks during our snack break. And Miss Latasha loves to eat fruit snacks with her lunch. Where should we place the fruit snacks? Inside the fridge or the pantry? You can touch your answer or use your words to tell Miss Latasha if we should place the fruit snacks inside the fridge or the pantry. Do you have your answer? Let's see if you're right. Great job! Fruit snacks belong inside the pantry. Cheese. I love cheese with my eggs and cheese on my sandwich or grilled cheese. Yum. Where should we place the cheese? Inside the fridge or the pantry? Let's see if your answer is right. Great job! Cheese belongs inside the fridge. Great job, my friends. We're all finished. You helped Miss Latasha sort out her groceries from the fridge and the pantry. Give yourselves a pat on the back and don't forget to kiss your brains. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.